Welcome to ProfitCodex, the first ever mobile app builder that allows you to build the mobile app of your dreams. It's as easy as going to create new app, putting in your app name, the link to your website, or you can build it from scratch without any website. General theme, color, maybe your layout if you want something specific, continue, and that is it. You'll have a basic app already done. And then obviously you can customize it with however you want, from multiple design options to multiple styles that you can choose from, permissions such as geolocation, camera, microphone that you can add to your app in case you have anything specific you want. If you already have everything ready, it's as easy as just selecting your launch icon, just like that, and you are already set. It's just going to app download, new build, select what you want, select your version, and then click start building and let ProfitCodex do everything for you. Once it's built and uploaded to Google Play or App Store, you can then send out newsletters to your users, such as push notifications or the notifications right inside the app to keep them up to date with everything happening in your app. So, if you want to be the next big hit in mobile apps, check out ProfitCodex right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.